This is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we are here today for Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar. We are on to day 18. We're getting closer, folks. Closer and closer. And of course, we've got our nail on standby. Cut open our envelope. As always, check out Charlie's Nail Art here, Instagram, and charliesnailart.co.uk. Ooh, we got some glass crystals. Very, very pretty. She labeled it on the back. Let me see. Whoops. We need to paint our nail with color. Let me pause just 1 sec. Alrighty, here we are. I have used this beautiful, beautiful green. This is by Diva the Bottle at Winterlicious. It is a really dark green, and I think it's perfect for what I'm going to do. So I've applied a coat of She Modern Stencil Glue Gel. I have got some, emerald green, hollow Erica, hollow baby, glitter color. So we're going to sprinkle this over the nail. Give us a hollow nail. And this is a tap bottle, thank God. It little does go a long way with She Modern products. Burnisher in, tap, rub. I'm going to stick her back on the lamp for a 30-second cure. I feel it helps adhere it better into the glue. Then, we're going to top coat and use our glass crystal gems by charliesnailart.co.uk. I am a brand ambassador. Please use my code at checkout. Nailed it 10, all caps. We're only going to use one of these. These are in the diamond shape. I think they are stunning. They will be released today on the website. So head right over, get you some of these and the 17 goodies that were released prior to this. Our nail is finished. Look how beautiful that is. I think that is just stunning. I love a hollow glitter nail. Hollow. Erica loves that. Don't you, baby? Top coat your nail. Your nail. I feel like it sounded funny. Oops. Get your diamond on your nail. Brace your hand for some stability. Here we go. Now, I think I want some of my ABs. Got an itchy nose. And she's gonna just a fool. That'll be between us. Move the diamond over just a hair. Here we go. Gonna pop this in the lamp. I'm gonna hold my hand in here for just a flash cure. And we will be right back. Oh, I am gonna give this a full 60-second cure. Alrighty. We are fresh out of the lamp. Day 18 on Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar. Look how beautiful that is. That diamond does sparkle for being a glass piece of, you know, not a Swarovski. But it does have some sparkle to it. Remember, this was just released today, December 18th. Head right over to charliesnailart.co.uk to grab you some up. Use my ambassador code at checkout, nailed10. Save 10% off your bill. Stay tuned for tomorrow's. Have a blessed day and thank you.